Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Inovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals with healthy options, driving directions around Jamaica, self-care, home care, and so much more. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Subscription is free, so all you need to do is press that red arrow at the bottom of the video. Hi guys, we have now arrived at the Christmas store. It is upstairs, the hardware store. It's a really good hardware store. So we go up these steps and they are already displaying some of the decorations which are inside in their store. So we go right up the stairs. We're almost there. And here we are. And there's another surprise at the front of the store before we go inside the actual Christmas store. They have other items, chairs and tables on display. Even items which have not yet been stained. You can choose what you want and do your own staining. And you can also, there's a nice lighting store on the right hand side. So it's like a one-stop shop. Hi everyone. We're going to Liguanea today. I already have a Liguanea video, but I want to show you where the special Christmas store is, where we go at Christmas time to get decorations. So this is one of the places that is very popular. So I already have a video to show you how to get to Liguanea. I will put in the reference number. So I'm just gonna go straight up and we reach the intersection this is Old Hope Road we are on, and we are driving towards Hope Road. So the intersection of Hope Road and Old Hope Road, we're going to turn right, and that takes us into Liguanea. Some beautiful mountains in the background. We have Matilda's Corner Police Station on your left, and we also have to just past Campion College. And if we go over the stoplight straight ahead, we will be going onto Barbican Road, but we're turning right. So Hope Road actually starts at this intersection, which goes straight down into Halfway Tree. So we're passing Caribbean Airlines office on your right. So you turn right on the green arrow. We are in Liguanea. Passing Lane Plaza, you have a Hilo supermarket over there. And on the right hand side, you have Liguanea Plaza, and you have General Food supermarket over there. And you have Liguanea Drug and Garden Center, which is a nice pharmacy and a variety store, like really nice. I did a video on that when I went to the US Embassy video. And on your left you have Liguanea Lane Pharmacy. So we're passing the Scotiabank now. I'm gonna switch lanes because I'm gonna turn into towards this taxman. You know, them drive very bad on this road. Sugar and spice, where you can get your cakes and your tasty patty and all of that, and your pastry. Passing the US Embassy on the right, all of that cream wall and cream building goes way back, and we're in Standpipe. So we're going to turn here into Super Value Home Center. This is the first Super Value. They have a new plaza now on Constant Spring Road. But this has been here for years and years and years. upstairs is where we call the Christmas store. They have all sorts of Christmas trees. $76,999. Ones with the light $74,550 Jamaican dollars. $46,899. Oh, I love this. 83. 82. Okay guys, I had to do a voiceover because there's music playing inside the store. So here we see some Christmas wreaths. I'll show you how to decorate them. We have the angel toppers over here. And we have garlands. You can use to decorate the stairs or anywhere. Over the doors and all of that. Everything is in here. And we have undecorated wreaths, so you can do your own thing. So it's like a permanent Christmas store. It's always up there. These trees are already decorated. They are just for display. You don't buy the trees. But you just, what they do beside each tree, they will have the items which are on the trees. So you can, if you see something you like how it's displayed, you just pick up the item and then you decorate them yourself. Your own trees at home. So here we have the original Christmas color. I was asking them here if the trees are on sale fully or it's just to give an idea. So the trees, as I said before, are just to give an idea of how to decorate. This is a nice traditional gold, green and red. And then we're gonna go around the sides too. I'm gonna show you the trees first. These are some little birdies and some ribbons, and it has a nice angel on top. I'm not sure if you can see it properly. And that's a beautiful white one there. I love this one. Look at that, snowflakes and silver. Everything is in white and silver here, and they have the things on the side. So any theme you want, you can just take from these containers. You can't take from the trees, you take from the containers. These are really lovely. It's so much to shoot. It's so much to choose from. These are the gold theme ones. Nice like a white tree here decorated with gold. As we saw in the front coming in, we have gold poinsettias and gold leaves. And there's a big gold and white and gold and silver with little reindeers and some beautiful ribbons, shimmery ribbons. And we have some gold holly. So let's go about to the side over here. We're going back to the trees. I just want to finish this section. You have a great collection of bows. And you have ribbons to unroll, so you can buy and do your own bows if you want. Look at that, so beautiful. So much variety too. Who would have known we could get all this variety here in Jamaica? Look at these little green ones and red ones with some little, looking like some little mini snowballs on them. And we have these plaid ones, red and black, nice and unusual. Silver bows. We have some more traditional Christmas color. This is what we call crocus bag. I don't know what you call it if in your country. And we have some more unusual black and white also. These are more bows again. So much to choose from. Anyone can find whatever they want in here. Look at that. And here we have stockings, Christmas stockings, and the skirts for your Christmas trees and caps. Santa caps, elf caps. Let's go back to the other side now. Let's finish up the trees first. So here we have a beautiful candy, pink and blue themed Christmas tree. We have cupcakes and cake balls and candies, decoration with sprinkles on them. Look at that, very unusual and beautiful. And you have the ones, you have them at the bottom you can choose from. And some more white theme. Those little small ones we had out the front, the little skinny ones. So these are them here decorated. We have snowballs and silver and white, and this beautiful blue and white. Very nice. With lots of glitter. This is a sea or ocean, under the ocean themed one. We have fishes, little fishes, starfish, seahorses. We have pearls and clams, boat steerings and all of that. Very unusual, very beautiful. This is a white one, another white one. Everything you want is in here. This is blue and white with silver, I think. This is like a rose gold. Very nice, very beautiful. And the angel is on top. The angel is on top there. Very beautiful. So guys, remember it was there's music, Christmas music playing inside, so I couldn't record. I had to do a voiceover. Here's a red candy cane themed tree decoration. But you also have some donuts on it and little Mrs. Claus and all of that. Beautiful Christmas ribbons and bows in all the Christmas colors. This is another one, like this is like a gold themed with other colors. More traditional colors, reds and gold and green. Look at that. They also have some ferns in it too. also have some what they call door toppers too, already decorated. You can buy and more toppers. Reindeers in the back there. More wreaths that you can play in, and decorated ones, so you can choose whatever you like. Everything is here, little bells and stuff. These are lovely. Guys, the camera is not doing this justice. You see them in real life, they're so beautiful. Look at that one, I love that, the white one. The polar bears, the Santa and all those reindeers, gold and silver and white and brown. This is where you get all your pepper lights in all the colors. You have combination of colors, plus you have a combination of all the different colors, plus you can get the other colors by themselves. I've been buying these over the years before, so I have unopened packs, and I have an outside tree which I only decorated once. I just haven't had or just didn't remember to cut my tree in time for Christmas for it to grow back up. So here we even have purple lighting now. Before it was blue and yellow and green and red. Now we have purple. Of course we have white, and you have the netting looking lights too, what you can just put over like a plant, like a round plant or anything, or your hedging. You can put these over your hedging. And you have those little Christmas tree shaped lights. And you have a star. Love that star. We have different colors. Remember to like, subscribe, share and comment. Check out my website for all your t-shirts and anything that is motivating, positive motivation t-shirts and other items, over 80 items. So here we go, they have some little decorative blocks here. I'm not sure if it's candles or blocks. I did not get to look at them closely. We have some little teddy bear, Santa teddy bear. We have these are regular butterflies, so if it's not Christmas time too, you can use these too. We have our Christmas kitchen pot holders and kitchen towels in Christmas theme. Christmas pot holders, Christmas kitchen towels. More decorations. Gold and red. Candy cane. Purple. Pink. There's our elves. These are masks. So if you have a masquerade party or a masquerade ball, New Year's Eve, decorations, little hats, and you have a Hawaiian theme party. You have things to go around your neck, and you have the whole other Christmas trimmings. all over. Decorations are just all over. It's like a kid in a candy store. You don't know what to decide. They have toys too, like dolls for girls and other toys. And you have Christmas packaging and bags and all of that. And you have stickers. These are stickers, Christmas stickers. I love these bags. These are wine bags. Lots of bags, gift bags. Look at that. A wide variety. And you have bows. And other little Christmas gift wrapping trinkets all over. These are some beautiful white Christmas trees here. And these, if you want to be more festive, and your little bandos with your Christmas decorations for your hair, for your head. The kids love these, and those who are kids at heart love them. More toys for kids. These are little penguins looking thing. Okay. Christmas polar or North Pole thing. These are on sale over this section. What the color you want. So remember, this is in Liguanea. Liguanea is just before you go up to go to like Papine. This is where they have US Embassy, so remember that part. These are gold, all of this is gold theme here. Gold balls, silver balls, gray balls, silver balls, everything, white balls, red balls, everything. More candy cane theme decorations. These are huge, you know, very huge. See? You have all sizes. You have large, small, extra large, mini ones. Blue. Give you ideas, you can use blue and gold, also silver and blue, purple, all shades of purple, pink, lots of shades of pink, white. These look like snowballs. Pink theme and blue. More candy cane theme balls. And some of them that look like they have snow on them. These red ones. I love these red ones. And you can also just buy some and put them in a bowl on your tables and so. In your house, you can use some to just fill up a big see-through vase also. Many things you can do with them. You don't have to have a tree. You can get creative and decorate your own wreath. Really lovely. So we're just gonna show you a little bit more of what's happening. A little. So now I'm giving you a little 360-degree look of the whole store. So even if you don't come this year, you have next year. So this is my first Jamaica, what we call vlogma. It's a Christmas vlog. For those who are not familiar with the term, we call it vlogmas. This is my first one for the season, along with my driving directions video. Just giving a little walkthrough again. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Get everything in one place. I hope I get the time to go to some other stores to show you what is offered. So now I'm leaving out now. So let's just go back outside now. And they do work stuff in here. You can paint them your own color, dye them your own, stain them your own color. Cheers and thingy and thing and thing. They have a lighting store here. Lights. Forgot about this lighting store. Cheers and stuff. crossing. I could have turned left, but I'm going towards halfway tree, so I'm going straight down, straight down, straight down. So, yeah, 129 Pro is that office over there where they do heart surgeries and other type of surgeries. If you got a broken bone or something, they do surgeries like that. A gloomy sky day. I like to do my videos when the sun bright and pretty. Evening time videos are a little darker. Passing. I already did a video on this plaza. I will put it in the video. Going to Barbican Road, you turn right, so you stay in the right lane. I'm going to go over into the left lane because I'm going straight down. There's a mother's here. We get patties and Jamaican food and ice cream and soups and all of that. Trying to get to the next lane. Providence Methodist Church on your left. You have another Tasty on your left. Open on Sundays. So on your right, you have Sovereign Center as you cross over the stoplight, and you have Palace Cineplex over there where you can watch movies. And as you cross over to on your left, you have the Liguanea Post Office. It's one of the major post offices around. So I will do another video showing you from Liguanea to halfway tree on a day when it's much sunnier. So thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, share and comment. Subscription is free, and remember